Now coming to the fourth arrow. What is fourth arrow? Fourth arrow representing copying data from HDFS to Hive table. In the real time, for example, what happened? Sometimes depends on the data source again. Yes. Depends on the data source. We are copying the data sometimes like, or else I will show you one more diagram. We have different data sources is there. So sometimes we are copying the data from FTP data into local server. After that local server data to Hive tables or HDFS, we are copying it. Otherwise, sometimes directly we are loading the data into HDFS only. Directly we are loading data into HDFS only. After the loading data into HDFS, now those data I want to loading into Hive tables. How can I? Yes, first let's see the files in HDFS. What files in my VMware? Already I did some practicals in HDFS. That's why files are available. Or else I create one more directory HDFS. Very much first time create a directory in HDFS. Hadoop fs minus mkdir krishdb. I thought already is there. Let's check it. Yes, it's not available. Just now I'm creating krishdb. Now local file system. This is a file is their emp file. This emp file now I am copying into krishdb. Yes, it's similar like a second arrow. Sorry, first arrow. Hadoop fs minus copy from local file name emp and destination krishdb. Enter. We are successfully copied. I want to check it. Hadoop fs minus ls krishdb. Enter. Yes, one file is there. The file name is emp. Now this file, I want to see the data. What data is available? I change ls to cat and I change krishdb to emp. This file is available. And now, how to load this data into Hive table? Before that one, I want to create a table. In Hive. Again, same thing. Create table name, for example, emp underscore table 4. Integer and the data also comma delimiter data only again. So row format enter. Table is created and source is clear, destination is clear. Now the fourth layer execution only. The syntax. What is the syntax? Again, come to my documentation. Come down. Loading data from Hive table to HDFS. This is the syntax. Load data in path, file path into table name. What is the difference between third and fourth arrow? According to the syntax wise. Here in the fourth arrow, local is missing. Third arrow, local is there. Okay. So why local is not there? Because we are right now in the fourth arrow, we are loading HDFS to Hive table. That's why there is no local. So load data in path, file name, HDFS file name. What is the file name? EMP. But EMP is available where? EMP is available under some directory, Chris dir. Under Chris dir, the EMP file is available. File path into table, table name, EMP table 4. Enter. Directory name wrong. Invalid path. KRISHDB. KRISHDIR. Yeah. Directory name is wrong. DB. Enter. Yes, now data loading successfully. Select star from EMP underscore table 4. Enter. Data loading properly. Yes, one important point is there here. I already told what I told. What are the tables is there in this Hive? All the tables are available HDFS only. All the tables are available HDFS only. I want to see the tables in front end. I want to see the tables in front end. How can I see? Show tables. It lists out all the tables. But same tables, I want to see the backend. Backend. How can I see the backend? Backend means through HDFS. Generally, how do we are seeing HDFS? Generally, if I want to run any HDFS query, how can I run? Hadoop FS-ls, right? Hadoop FS minus ls, it lists out all HDFS files and directories. But this time what I'm saying, I want to display Hive tables. But Hive tables, it lists out show tables is coming. But backend through command prompt, how it is coming? Yes, it is coming in this path. By default, all tables are available in this path only. What are the tables you are creating? All are available here only. The Hadoop FS minus ls user Hive warehouse. Enter. It lists out all tables and everything. These tables are available in Hive warehouse. These are all tables I created in my previous classes. The number of tables I created in my previous class. But now I want to create what today we are creating some tables. Right. Where we are creating today, creating by default database or any other database. We're creating our own database. There we're creating our tables, right? So what is our database name? Same. First go to the ChrisDB. ChrisDB2.db. Extension is DB. Every time. If you create database, it will showing like extension DB.db extension. So move to that location. There our tables are available. User Hive warehouse, Hadoop FS minus ls, user Hive warehouse, ChrisDB2.db. Enter. Here all our tables are available. Yes, these are our tables. EMP table, table 2, 3, 4, tab ex. Front end it is a table, but back end it is a directory. Backend, it is a directory. Inside this directory, our files are available, our data is available. For example, I'm going to open EMP table, EMP, anything, TABLE, enter. Yes, one file is there, that file name is EMP, ls to cat, because that is a file, cat, enter. Data is coming. Data is coming. If you see EMP table 2, EMP table 2, Hadoop FS-ls, user Hive warehouse, db2.db, EMP table 2, enter. One file is there, by the file name is EMP only, because we are loading EMP file now, that's why EMP file is coming. I want to see the data. Just see emp file name and ls to cat. So properly front end it is a table. Front end it is a tables, but back end it is a directories. My query is see in front end select star from emp table nulls loading nulls displaying, but back end I'm yes emp table emp data is coming. Hive follow the schema at the time of reading only. It's not follow the schema at the time of writing. See, loading is properly happen, but this file I tried to read through front end, it's not coming because it follows the schema. That's way. Just for your clarity, I will give you some real general example. Take the laptop. In the laptop, I stored a document, for example, a document. That document, I want to open it. Okay. So, for example, Notepad is there, WordPad is there, Adobe Reader is there, some other formats is different formats we are opening. Similarly, same thing. I want to read it in the front end. We are reading this one. In future classes, by using Pig also we can read the same data. So reading time only how you follow the schema. Writing time it's not following the schema. Fourth arrow, one more important point. That is, if we copy the data from HDFS to Hive table, if we copy the data from HDFS to Hive table, yes, if you load the data, if you load HDFS file into Hive table, after loading is completed, HDFS file will be deleted automatically. HDFS file will be deleted automatically. That means we have only option cut paste only. First two arrows we have the option copy paste, cut paste. Both options are available. Third arrow we have the option only copy paste only. Fourth arrow we have the option only cut paste only. Only cut paste. Let's see practically also. Yes. Previously we are copying KrishnaDB under KrishnaDB EMP file. This EMP file we are loading into our Hive table. Right? Hadoop FS-ls KrishnaDB it displaying this file. Let's say I'm again doing the same query, running same query. Hadoop FS-ls KrishnaDB enter. There is no file. That means this file now moving into this location. Which location? Yes, here this location KrishnaDB.emp table 4. We are creating EMP table 4, right? We are moving into this location. Okay. So simply just for your just for remember purpose. First two arrows we have copy paste. Third arrow we have only copy paste. Fourth arrow we have only cut paste. Because the data is there HDFS only. Again same copy maintain two different locations. Unnecessary again space wastage. Already our Hive following replication feature. Already Hadoop is following replication feature. If I maintain the same copy two different locations, space wastage. 6 copies, same file 6 copies is there. Unnecessary space wastage. That's why we have only copy paste only. Just for clarity, what I'm doing is I will show you the replication feature, then you get the clarity. Firefox, I'm opening Firefox. This is a single node cluster. My VMware is image file. I want to see the files and directories through web interface. The port number, we want to enter the port number for name node. The port number is localhost 50070, enter. Yes, this is my HDFS name node configurations. The details are available here only. You can also check it in our desktop. Yes, in our VMware. Copy this, paste it. Just type that command, enter. It will be displaying in your name node, the configurations, everything. So this is my cluster configurations, 17.33 GB. Yes, how much total, how many data nodes is there? Only one data node is there. Live nodes is see, only one data. Any dead nodes? There is no dead nodes. And I am pressing dead nodes, live nodes, enter. It's showing like a local host. Local host, the dead node capacity. What is the dead node? How much size I am using? Okay, how much size is remaining? Everything is information is available here. Okay, I'm going to the local host. Yes, here all our files and directories are available here. What are the files and directories we are creating now? Those files and directories are available here only. So here we are creating a directory. What directory we are creating? Today we are creating a directory with the forward slash or without forward slash. If we create a directory with the forward slash, those directories are available here only. At the time of creation with the forward slash, without forward slash. Remember, Krishna DB forward slash DB some number 89 one directory created. Sorry, not ls, mkdir. Enter. One directory created, and without forward slash 88 one more directory created. Yes. Now go to Mozilla. Just refresh it. Now let's see here. With the forward slash, the Krishna DB89 is there, na? That will be created here only with the forward slash. Root level. Root level, the directory is created. And if you create a without forward slash, that will be there in user training folder. In this training folder, that without forward slash, the directories are available. Krishna dir 89 KA, not Krishna. Yes, yes, 88 folder. Okay, and if I copy a file, into this directory or this anyone, Hadoop fs minus copy from local file name emp and directory destination, any destination file, for example krish db 88, enter. File copying into krish db 88 folder. We are running first arrow. What is first arrow? Local file to HDFS. What happening? Yes, copy. Why? We are copying into this directory. Now go to Mozilla. Where? Krish db 88. Yes, this one. Enter. One file is there, EMB file. Just now we're creating. File size, replication number, the permissions, everything is there here. Okay. And now coming to the fourth arrow. If I go to the fourth arrow, same copy paste only. Again, one more folder is there available, warehouse also. One more folder is available, warehouse also. I want to see the warehouses. Those are also available here only. There also one, again, if three copies right now in my VMware, one copy, but in the real time, three copies. Same data I copied into Hive table also. Those are also available in warehouse only. Again, extra three copies, total 6 copies, same data. Right. That's why Hadoop following cut paste only fourth arrow, copy paste in third arrow, and both option first two arrows.